Good morning everybody and welcome to Matilda Visits. You find us in our holiday car, then today we're driving to Snaefellsnes. That is an area, a peninsula north of Reykjavik. That's right Matilda, we're gonna see volcanoes and waterfalls and all the beautiful countryside that Iceland has to offer. That's the next town we're heading to.
We're going to the volcano museum.
We are on our way to the Snæfellsnes Peninsula and it's just gorgeous. We just drove through a very long tunnel that comes underneath the fjord. Cuddly kids are awake and having fun.
Because they wanna be neat.
Can I have another photo?
Yeah.
Wow, stopped here along the road around the Snæfellsnes Peninsula is this famous waterfall. It's apparently based on lots of pictures of Iceland together with this volcano on this mountain right behind us.
No, it's not this.
Looks lovely though. Lots of water, Matilda, eh? How's Snaefellsnes for you so far?
Oh, very nice. Snæfellsnes. It's very lovely. Very dramatic, the landscape, isn't it?
It was like driving through and over and left and right of volcanoes, and I liked it.
Yeah, me too.
We are enjoying lunch at the Ski restaurant here in Kirkjufellsfoss, which is just at the north tip there of the peninsula that we're driving through today.
I went to a museum to see sharks and fishing and shopping. And we went into a shark restaurant with a fish jar.
Behind us is the volcano and the mountain that gives this whole area its name. And according to the book by Jules Verne, the journey to the center of the earth, that's actually where you go to the center of the earth.